Ivan, the producer.
Yeah. Special. My girl says she want me cause I'm special. She wanna be up on me cause I'm irresistible. She dissed every nigga. She says she wanna be my rider. My girl says she want me cause I'm special. She wanna be up on me cause I'm irresistible. She dissed every nigga. She says she wanna be my rider. What's going on, guys? It's 18 Habits back with another motherfucking video for you. So today we got this monkey video, my first ever monkey video. I don't know how this gonna go, but today we're gonna be doing would you prefer summer or winter? And let's see how people let's see what people answer is, and I'm asked them to explain why. And make sure you comment down below and let me know not to forget to ask them to add time. Damn, that was a lot to say. That was a lot to add. Okay? So let's go and start the screen recording. Alright guys. Bam! Ooh. So let's go on and hit this start. Make sure the volume up, you know. Okay. Let's go. Let's see what we got first. Hopefully people on. I know some people on. What's up? I got a question for y'all. Would you prefer summer or winter? Add time. Okay, I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna tell them to add time and then tell them the question. All right, here we go. What's up, bro? I don't know, but I got a question for you. See, already, look at these people, man. Come on now. We got Chloe. What's up?
Hi.
Add time real quick.
Okay.
I got a question for you. Would you prefer summer or winter?
Summer.
Summer?
Yeah.
Explain why.
Hot girl summer, you feel me?
That's it? Oh, there we go. We got one. Let me know if y'all knew what she said. We got another dude. Oh, he skipped us. Let's just gonna keep going. Y'all let me know what other monkey videos I should do. What's up?
What's up?
Add time real quick. I got a question for you.
No thanks. Say the question, hurry. Oh.
Nope, because you didn't have time. Sorry. So we got one person. Okay, I'm gonna tell you after.
Yeah, I'm playing a game.
What's up?
You trying to get down with it?
But you fucking gay. That nigga gay.
Y'all add time real quick.
You said add time real quick?
Yeah.
So,
Would y'all prefer summer or winter?
summer, nigga. You cold as fucking winter. What you talking about?
Explain why.
Cause it be cold.
Nigga, what's up with all these questions?
Nigga, you only asked 2 questions.
Like, for real. It was just a simple question.
What you prefer?
Summer. How you gonna ask me a question? So, what I was gonna say, we got one that was just playing the game, listening to music. Okay, we got one more. What's up? What's up? It's going like, did y'all hear me? I don't know. I was just gonna let them skip. But as I was saying, we had one person just playing music or playing a game. We got another person talking about, oh, I'm not with that gay shit. Like, okay. And then we got, who else? We got the girl that just didn't answer. Then we got the little girls that said summer, and then they just went out. And then the dudes talking about summer because we don't do the code for some reason. So let's go. Skip. Or connection failed. Yeah. It's kind of fun. Charlotte, 17 from Louisiana. Let's see. What's up?
Hi.
Add time real quick. Oh, never mind. I got a question for you.
What's up?
Would you prefer summer or winter?
Wait, what now?
Would you prefer summer or winter?
Winter.
Explain why.
Because, winter's better than summer, honestly.
You gotta give me a better reason.
There is a reason.
You don't got no more reasons?
You give me a reason.
Well, I like summer.
And why is that?
Because I can take my shirt off, you know.
Boy, if you don't...
Simple.
Wow.
No, I'm just playing. Well, for me, it's like 50-50. Because I was born in the cold, but I like the summer as well, so I don't know.
Yeah.
That's a good answer. Next. Not really, but next. What the fuck is this thing taking me to? Hold on, guys. Okay, we back. I don't know what, my phone on something. Oh yeah, I should have clicked I hate it. Damn. Who is this? Now we're gonna skip them. Look like they finna be. Yeah, I don't got time for all that. We don't wanna do it.
No,
What's up?
Oh, okay. She's slow. Don't mind her. Shut
Yeah.
up, Nessie.
Y'all had time real quick.
Or if she's homeschooled, if she wants to.
I got a question.
What?
Would y'all prefer summer or winter?
Summer.
Explain why.
Because I don't like the cold. The cold makes me want to cry. I like less clothes.
Okay, and other person?
I don't like the cold. It makes me want to cry.
That's it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Me, I prefer both.
Why both?
I was born in the cold, but I also like the summer.
Oh, dang. That's the first, because I was also born in the cold.
What was your month?
I was born in the fall. Nobody asked you, Neffy. Shut up before I get this racing punch in your face.
Okay.
You be tripping.
Yeah, I'm definitely tripping.
She tripping. Alone. Tired.
Is she okay?
No. I don't know what's wrong with her. She's special. She.
Bye. Okay. I ain't okay. Let's get it. Like, damn, am I moving too slow? Like, in Spider-Man, I'm just playing. 18 Habits moving too slow? Kevin, in Florida. Let's see. Connection failed. See, I caught it. Y'all already know. Oh, yeah, I gotta show y'all my hair. Oh, look, my little twig sticking out. This is my hair. I got twist. My mama did it. She cut the sides, you know. She cut all that. Let me know if y'all like it. If so, make sure y'all leave a like. I'm trying to grow it out. You know. I got a few spots where it's short. I got some length to it. You know, the back is where it's short at. 15. It's hard putting this hat on. I'm just letting them skip real quick because I'm trying to fix my hat. Alright, we good. Let's go. What's up?
Yeah. Hello.
Add,
Yeah.
add time real quick. I got a question.
Is it for a YouTube channel?
No.
The fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Oh, okay. Then what?
Would you prefer summer or winter?
Huh?
Would you prefer summer or winter?
Would you guys prefer summer or winter? Summer all the way home. For sure.
Explain why.
Huh?
Explain why.
Because in summer, listen. Because in summer,
So much fun.
in summer, you know what you can do?
What?
You can
Where
go
you
wherever
from?
you want, bro. You can do whatever you want,
Hey, where are you from?
unless you have strict parents. But like, you know, like me, I don't have parents, right?
Bro,
So like,
where are you from?
I'm from Maryland.
Damn, I'm from Detroit.
Okay.
But what would you prefer, summer or winter?
I prefer both.
Why?
Born in the winter, I just like the summer. Okay, they connection messed up. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I think I should do this. Right for right now, we're gonna skip them because we got one good reaction out of one of them. The other one's talking about gay, and the other one just playing the fucking game. Like, come on now. As y'all can see, I don't have my glasses on, so I really can't see the screen, even though it's like literally right here. Literally right here. No. We're just gonna do girls today, okay? As I was saying, it's kind of fun doing this. Let's see. Ashley, 19, Oklahoma. And that one girl's like, "Is this for YouTube video?" No, you're not supposed to tell them, cause they're like, "What's your channel?" And we let them figure out on their own, you know. Or should I say, yeah? Let's go. Let's see. What's up? I got a question for y'all. Would you prefer summer or winter? Add time real quick. Explain why you say winter.
Because then I can put more clothes on. But during the summer, you can't take all your clothes off.
And what about the other person?
I don't like wearing clothes.
So summer?
Yeah.
Explain why. Besides you don't like in the cold.
I said I don't like wearing clothes.
It's three, all right?
Yeah. Yes.
I only got 2 responses. What about the other one?
Summer.
Summer?
Mhm.
So the same response like the other person said?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Nope. You don't get to ask me no question. We're gonna do one or two more, depending on how I'm feeling. You know. I didn't even read the screen. All I seen was Shaq. That's about it. Cause on that one, if you on there with them and you add time, there's no way All you gotta do is wait until the time run out, and I wanna press that. Bye bye. But if you add them, you can easily press boop boop. They add you back. You can press peace. Ohio, Carlicia. Okay, I missed it. I don't even know how to pronounce the name. Let's click next. We gotta get one or two more girls. We got Star. What's up?
What you doing?
Nothing.
It's hot to eat. I'm hot.
Add time real quick. Okay. I'm hot. Nobody cares. Dang. Now we gotta get one more at least. Come on now. I could have did this one, but I'm not. Yeah. Let's see. Y'all comment down below how y'all day going. What the fuck? What kind? Really? This dude name is Big Nut. Come on now. Could have chose a better nut. Could have chose a better name than that. Nope, we're gonna pass. Let me know if I should do 2-player or 2-person chat. Because I got a few friends that got this, and I got my sister, so I can do it with her. And guys, never mind. I started my new job at Amazon, just to let y'all know. But they haven't told me what spot I'm being yet. This Saturday, the 19th, I went to my orientation. It went cool, about 4 hours. We gotta get one more person on. Come on. Well, one more girl. Come on. On these little, with them things, the words dolphins are unable to smell. Like, not just that one, but other ones. They be tripping, like, what? Oh, here we go. Let's try her. Let's get her. What's up? Yeah, add time real quick.
¿Cómo estás?
Adios. Anthony's. What? It said it had a girl name, but it said he. What that mean? Okay, that's a bit. I'm trying to get at least one more girl off of here. What's up? How you gonna be on the app but you leave? I'm trying to get one more girl, but they all tripping. Like, come on now. Either not in the camera. I ask you the question, you don't say nothing. Let's see. What's up?
Hey.
I got a question real quick.
What?
Would you prefer summer or winter?
Summer.
Explain why.
Explain to you why.
Yeah.
Because summer is like better, but then like it's nasty ass bug. So then I don't know. Like, why would you want to be cold? You know?
Yeah. But at the same time, you can be warm.
What?
I said at the same time, you can be warm in the winter.
Yeah, you're right.
But me,
But you trying to be my friend, cause I'm a trans for real though.
yeah, y'all can't pull that. I'm sorry. Can't pull that on me. But as y'all can see, that's the end of it. No, you miss your chance, sir. No, bye. But anyways, make sure I hope.
27 heartbeat.
Give me a minute. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Make sure you comment down below any more videos you think I should do on the monkey out. Challenges. Pranks. You know, it's coming. Gotta come with heat. You know, all these little pranks, little videos, like these little videos, I gotta come. I'm gonna turn the phone off. So, yeah, I got another monkey video coming. I just gotta think of what I want to do. This would you prefer summer or winter? It's just a little start off video, you know. You know what I'm saying? But that's the end of the video. Hope y'all like it. Like I said, leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell. Make sure you gotta hit that bell so you gotta stay notified when I upload. And let me know if you like my hair. Okay, it's a little messed up right now, but hope you like my hair. My mama did it, you know. Gotta grow my hair out. But catch your shot next video as always. And I'm out. It is.
Hey, ma, what do? If you want it, you got it. You know I don't rock it. They never could stop it. It's stuffed in my pocket. I go up for the score and they never could block it. After the show, I count up in the miles and tears fall from the lies despite 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't wanna live life. Now I'm happy on the in and outside. Can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda. Post up with Berettas. Hustling through